Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel or extend your Game Pass subscription on your Xbox One. So to do this, let's go up top to Settings right here and select this. Then go down to Account, and then go to the right and go to Subscriptions right here and type in your PIN if you got one. Now it's going to take a few seconds to load, and you'll be brought to your Game Pass subscription. Now you can see your past Game Pass subscriptions on here, as well as your current one. So I have Game Pass Ultimate and Game Pass Core. Now all I have to do to cancel these out is simply select it, and you can see where it says recurring billing. So just go to cancel right here and turn that off, and then you can turn off recurring billing. So I can see the expiration date, and I'm not going to be getting charged to my credit card anymore. So I can back up. You can see it's turned off. And it's turned off down here as well. So if you want to extend this, if you just select renew on the subscription, you can go ahead and continue on with that. But recurring billing is going to be turned on when you do that. So just come to this section if you want to turn that off, and make sure that's turned off so you don't get charged unknowingly. Now if this is your first time and you want to go ahead and get a subscription, you can go to see all available subscriptions right here on top. Select this, and it's going to give you like 4 different plans. You can look up those plans and see the pricing. So Ultimate right now is $17. Game Pass for consoles is $11. Here's Game Pass Core, and then here is EA Play. So just look at the ones you want and the benefits, and you can decide. Now I believe with just the free version of Game Pass, where you don't have to pay anything, you can still play online for free-to-play games. So if you purchase the game, you won't be able to play the multiplayer, but if you go to the Microsoft Store and there is a game that you can go ahead and get for free and it's a free play like Fortnite or Apex Legends, you should be able to play online for free in those. And you can join a party chat still and speak to your friends. But if you're trying to play Call of Duty's multiplayer, you won't be able to play that. But you'll be able to play Warzone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.